Hi, I'm Clay Souza. I'm a wedding portrait photographer in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, and in this video we're going to talk about how to get into the preferred vendors list on wedding venues. Getting into the preferred vendor list on a wedding venue is a great way to get good referrals. And simple like this is just because brides will trust the venue to refer the best wedding photographers that have already photographed there, and it serves as a seal of approval. And honestly, most of our weddings we get are from referrals from other venues. So what we do, but how do you get into that list, right? It is very competitive. It's some venues they have a limited number of photographers who they refer, but it's really hard to get into those lists. And here's a little trick that we do that helped us from the beginning. We still do this after 7 years shooting weddings. We still do this with every single new venue that we shoot. What we do, actually, we offer the venue a wedding album or a big print for them to hang on the wall. So what does that do is that allows brides to go in when they go into to look at the venue, so they can look at the albums on how a real wedding looks like on that venue. And if that's your album and if they like what it is, so that's most likely they're going to contact you. What we do, we create the album just like we create an album for a bride, and on the last page of the album we print our logo and our contact information. That goes only on the last page. I know you probably be thinking, my God, that's another expense. Don't think of this as an expense. Think of this as advertising. Think of this as an investment in your business, because that's what it is. You're really investing in your business. So this is how you should think about this: an investment, not an expense. Because if you get one wedding there, it's already going to pay for the album that you gave the venue. Also, you create a really good relationship with the venue, and they're going to put you on the list, and you'll get more weddings from that venue. So this is a really quick tip that helps us a lot. Up to this day, we're still doing the same technique because it works. If you like the content of this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. I upload content here every single day, and on Monday and Wednesday at 8:08 p.m. Eastern Time, I go live to talk about photography, mostly lighting, composition and posing, and also the business of photography. I would love to see you in one of our lives.